Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make up to $3,000 a month by testing things. So this is going to be a great way for you to earn some PayPal cash and get some PayPal money online. So let's get started right now. Alright, before I get started, I just want to let you know that this method will not produce you any passive online income, and this is going to be trading your time for money, but you are going to be able to make a decent amount if you are working really hard at this method. So I hope it will work for you, but if it doesn't, check out the program in the video description. It's going to be the first link in my video description. It's going to be a program that's going to teach you online skills that will help you build an online business instead and build a passive online income. It's going to be a business model that I've been using since 2016, and you could check that out. And you can even check out this video. It kind of explains to you what I do online and how my business works, or you could just click the link and get started right here, okay? So check that out. All right, so in today's method, it's going to be at uTest.com. At uTest.com, this is going to be one of the largest communities for testers in the world. Yes, this is going to be worldwide, and it's going to be for a lot of different countries. And as well, this will be for a variety of people, as I'm going to show you the projects are involved. Could be applied to a lot of you. Also, if it doesn't qualify, if you don't even qualify, they have huge referral bonuses for if you know somebody that can do that test. So these are real big projects, or they pay well anyway. So it just depends on how many you do. And the more you do, the more you're rated. So you also going to get rated on here, and I'm going to show you behind the scenes how that is, okay? So you can just become a tester by clicking this button. So once you go to uTest.com, you'll get to this page, and you can click this to sign up right away. So let's see how it works, okay? This is what you want to know anyway, right? How uTest works. You're going to create an account. You're going to register. You're going to confirm your email, and then you're going to start filling out your profile. And this is going to be very important that you are making sure you give them all your information. They're going to use this information to give you and invite you to the tests, okay? So you must be very accurate in here and see so that they can match you to pay tests that's right for you, okay? And then you can also get educated with their academy. So learn how to test with us by completing courses, passing quizzes, and participating in live practice test cycles in our uTest Academy. So this, if you go through this, then they'll know that you've been educated and that you will probably get invited more, because they're going to be you're going to be tracked that you've gone through the academy, okay? So this part is very important, that you learn how to do it well. And then as your tester rating increases, you'll receive project invitations or survey requests that match with your tester profile. So this one is very important. Like I was saying earlier, you want to test well, and you want to increase your rating, because that's how you're going to get even more tests and the higher paying tests as well. Fourth step, you're going to complete projects and earn, report bugs, or share your opinion about apps or products, and earn payments for your approved work. We pay testers twice a month using PayPal and Pioneer. So it's going to be paying for a lot more people, not just PayPal. It's going to be Pioneer as well. So this is going to be great news. So this is going to be great news for everybody, and it's going to allow a lot more people to receive funds if they also pay up with Pioneer, okay? So earn money testing for the brands you love. So you could be testing for brands like Uber, or these other ones, Volkswagen, Facebook, Google, Starbucks, McDonald's, Nike. So their clients do really want to know, need your help. So you ready to start testing? I'm going to go inside and show you some stuff. You see on the left, this is my profile, and I am unrated because I just opened this account. And you see this is the academy here. So this is the academy. You can see how you can test. You could take all these different courses and I highly suggest that you take all these courses so that you can get the most invite for your testing, okay? So what you want to do is go to projects so that you can find these projects, okay? So even if you don't sign up, you could check out the projects over here on the top. So back inside here, projects. So this is the opportunities that you will be seeing over here. And it defaults to suggested, but I put all for now just so you can see. So there's a lot of worldwide opportunities here. I'm going to show you this one particular. So it says that, you know, it's looking for people who own Android devices with the OS version L or M, and it says you could earn a $10 referral bonus if you don't have this, but you know somebody that does. Then you're just going to copy this link and give it to them. And what this is their referral form, okay? So it is like a referral form for them to go sign up under you kind of thing. See, if they click on let's apply, then it'll say this is from tester whatever. So it's very important that you get the referral link from the description, okay? So as I go back out here, I'm just going to keep going for you to see. So there's different projects, and so like this one is offering 150 referral fee. This is a referral fee. So for the actual testing itself, they're not letting us know how much the test is for itself. So you just gotta apply, and it takes this page, and you just gotta put in your info as you have it in your per test account, okay? So make sure you're going to use the same email and the same name that appears on the uTest platform, okay? And then tell them where you live. So for this one, I guess you have to be from one of these countries, I'm guessing, okay? So there are a variety though, okay? You don't have to worry about not being able to get that one. You could refer somebody, or so you can refer somebody and still make 150, or you just go keep looking, because they have hundreds of testing projects here, and they're all recent or ongoing. There are look at this, 200 referral bonus for USA. So even if you don't test, you have the opportunity to refer somebody that can do the test, okay? And I'm just going to now give you some payment proof of the research that I've done, why this is a great one, because this one is definitely paying, but it doesn't tell you how much you're going to earn here. But so this is why I want to show you these other research things that I've seen. So usually I just do this research myself, and I just know that they work, and I don't show you. So now I'm actually going to show you, because a lot of people don't believe that these things work. And so I'm going to show you why this is part of my research, okay? So this person, Alex, this is from his own experience, okay? This is his disclaimer. This is from his own experience and a friend who have become a golden rated uTesters and was able to make several $1,000s per month, okay? And he's saying that, you know, your skills, you need to get good at the skills. So one of the ways to get good is doing the academy that they provide you for free, okay? So go through the academy and get good skills. And then it depends on your location. It depends on how much time you spend testing. And then you want to get your rating, okay? See, the golden rated uTesters have more payout rates and are more likely to get invited to participate in any cool projects. So you really want to concentrate. You could really concentrate and earn a lot here. And this is why he's saying that you can actually earn probably like 500 to 3,000 monthly. And this is from what he's seen himself. Not only that, there are, here's somebody who was the head of community at uTest. So this is a past employer who's worked there for 7 years. And they're saying there's people who take this so serious that they use it as their full-time career, and they make over 100K per year, okay? So this is no joke. It just depends on how much time you can put into this, okay? Speaking from experience of watching the earnings of one of my friends living in France, living in France, worldwide, okay? He's making $1,000 per month and he's rated gold, okay? So you want to achieve gold rated status, obviously. And then if you go to uTest payment proof on Google, oh my God, like you could see 10,000 different test payouts from PayPal. So this is like all the proof that I found on the web, okay? So this is still trading time for money where you're gonna just have to keep working to keep earning, and you're not gonna be earning multiple times from the work that you put in. So if you want to build an online business that does that like I do though, you can check out that first link in the video description, or check out the link up here that I'm gonna link, so that you can see how to learn the skills that you need to build an online business where you can earn over and over again from the work that you've put into your business. This is a business model that I've been using since 2016 and I really, really love it. So if you want to do something like that and make passive online income and get some of your time back, check out the first link in the video description and I'm going to show you exactly how I've learned it as well, okay? I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you could learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come up with videos every single week, so I hope you get notified and I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.